Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mix. First, let's prepare for success by gathering everything you need. A clean, organized workspace is key to a smooth process, so take a few moments to set up. We'll cover the fundamental steps to create a well-balanced mix, ensuring your final product is exactly what you envisioned. This guide will simplify the process, making it enjoyable and straightforward for everyone. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a delicious mix. Always opt for fresh, high-quality items. This makes a significant difference in the final taste and texture. For dry ingredients, precision is key, so use a kitchen scale to measure them accurately. When it comes to liquids, use proper measuring cups and ensure you're at eye level for an exact reading. These steps guarantee consistency every time. Now let's get to the heart of it, the mixing process. Begin by combining all your dry ingredients in a large bowl, ensuring they are thoroughly blended. Next, slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture, stirring gently as you go. The goal is to mix until everything is just combined, typically for about 1 to 2 minutes. Overmixing can lead to a tough or dense result, so be mindful of your technique. Once your mix is complete, proper finishing and storage are essential to maintain its quality. Transfer it immediately into an airtight container to lock in freshness and prevent spoilage. Store this container in a cool, dry place, away from any direct sunlight or heat sources. When stored correctly, most mixes will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.